Every so often I'll see a website put an article about how to prepare for a media interview or a speech. Even as late as 2018, I see books that say, if possible, rehearse on video. What does that even mean, if possible, rehearse on video? Everyone has video cameras, every cell phone, every iPad, every laptop. Saying, if possible, use a video for rehearsal is like saying, if possible, use heat in the winter, or if possible, when you're inside, use electricity. Well, unless you're in extreme, primitive, impoverished situations, you're going to use electricity. So you need to get rid of this whole idea that somehow it's a luxury to practice on video. You've got to rehearse on video. And I see people who are successful, they have every kind of asset, resource available to them in big companies. I ask them if they rehearse. They say yes. And I say, did you rehearse on video? Oh no, we didn't get around to that. Well, what does that mean? It doesn't take any more time. You pull out your phone, you hit record. That takes 2 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. So you've got to get over that notion. Again, why do people really not record themselves on video? They don't want to see themselves. They don't want to see the fact that their hair doesn't look as good as it used to, or their jawline or their neck doesn't look as good as it used to. So it's all avoid. You got to get over that. You've got to practice your media interview, your speech, your presentation, anything that can be captured for others to see. You have to practice it on video, not in front of a mirror. Don't practice your media interview in front of a mirror. I beg you. Complete waste. It's worse than a waste of time. Because if you're thinking of your message points and your sound bites and you're staring in a mirror, there's a part of you that's going to think, is my nose getting a little crooked? Or, wow, is my hairline receding more? You're going to be fixating on nonsense that you can't control instead of really getting comfortable with how you come across. So it's absolutely imperative that you practice on video, and I'll tell you how to do it in a moment.